Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to add a donation button to your YouTube channel. This time, we're going to use PayPal as our payment method. So go to PayPal, tap Request, and then as you can see here on the right side, you can see more ways to request. Click the second one, share your profile. So this is your profile. Tap this share icon again. So in this way, you're creating PayPal Me link. And then this is your link, your PayPal link, and all you have to do is to click this copy link right here. We're going to copy, we're not going to share this to any platform because we're going to add this to our YouTube channel. So open your YouTube, go to your YouTube studio. Now look for the customization option. So you have to go to the left side and then tap customization. Scroll down here till you see that link button or link option, and all you have to do is to click this add link. And then here, what you're going to do is you need to add the name of that provider, for example, PayPal, and then the link here. And then click publish. So people, if they want to donate to your channel, they just have to click this one. It will take them directly to their PayPal, and then they can now donate or send money to you. As easy as that. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.